Good morning, my name is Nathan Parks and this is a 2018 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix R. And it's a Phoenix R because it has a square window in the rear, and we'll get to that in a second. Looking up front here, you have four-way clear LED strobes in the front grille, along with flag staffs and mounts. These two accessories were put on by the previous owner. This vehicle only has 13,000 original mile, or a hair over 13,000. It is front-wheel drive, built on the Cadillac XTS chassis. This is a certified chassis from 2013 all the way up to 2019. You got a facelift in 2018, so this is your first year with that front and rear end facelift. It looks much different than a 17. You also have B&C pillar chrome along with a crown band, beautiful tuxedo black top matching that beautiful black metallic exterior with a silver stripe. Platinum Coach prides himself on a full composite body. So you have composite number 2 doors, composite rear coach compartment along with that composite rear load door. Nice titanium interior with that Alicante floor here, that vinyl covering here. You do have a closed well. It is a door here at Parks Beer Sales. We try to stock this type of style. I know you've seen it in a couple of videos here already. That way it gives you the flexibility to either store the church truck vertically or slide it horizontally under the casket table. You do also have that umbrella storage down there in the bottom right. In an XTS, it's kind of sealed off a little more than a new car. However, it is still just as usable, and you can store anything you like in that bay itself. 2 chrome nameplate holders for your funeral home nameplate, along with that nice Cadillac embroidery on that door card for the number 2 door. Moving our way back to the business end. On this coach, it is a Phoenix R because it is a square window. If it had a teardrop style window, it would be a Phoenix C. This window allows you to see inside the casket compartment. Thus, you can drape the casket with flowers, an American flag, anything you want to put on top of that ornate casket to show off to the family during the procession, at the funeral home, and at the gravesite itself. Looking at this rear load door here, once again, it is fully composite. It also has a upgraded 2-piece stainless kit added to it as well. So this car pretty much has every upgrade externally that you could possibly get for that time period. Beautiful embroidery here on this load door as well. Looking into the rear casket cabin, you do have signature lighting with that beautiful Alicante floor. Alicante is the most durable casket floor you can get on the market today because of that matte finish. It will look brand new for years to come. This vehicle does have a pop-up urn carrier inside it. Very large well. It's actually the same urn carrier that transitions into the XT5, so they liked it so much they kept it along. Fits about 95% of the urns on the market. There is 2 stanchions in here. They're just stored in the front glove box at the moment. They do pop up and allows you to secure the urn right in the center there. Folding this back down again, your quick adjust beer pin is stored off on the right. You have a button right here. You can slide it in and out and then cinch it down in the back. I like to keep it cinched down the back just to remove any possible rattles in the back of the car. Beautiful wheel boxes here with the Phoenix logo in both of them. And you can see how much light is emitted into the back of this cabin. Normally when we shoot a traditional style Phoenix with no windows, it is much darker in here, so I just wanted to emphasize that. 2 90-degree rollers right here. You do have some extra skid bars along with your beer pin plates and your dual beer pin plates up front for the fixed beer pins. This vehicle just came in off trade, so any blemishes you'll see will definitely be touched up by the time you purchase it. The moment it leaves here after we finish this video, it begins its journey through our mechanic shop and our body shop to be retail ready for your sale. Opening up this number 2 door here, you have a full-size spare, matching spare for the vehicle. So this vehicle comes with 5 total wheels. They all match and they all have the same tire on them. You do have a jack and tools on the right down there. This is also a closed well again with a door. So you can have that flexibility of being able to store things here if you want to push the tire farther in, or closing that door off and making it look beautiful. Same matching door card along with those 2 chrome nameplate holders for your funeral home name. Once again, that beautiful silver stripe, black tuxedo top with the crown band, all of the added on chrome, both on the rear load door and on the B&C pillars here. Popping into the driver's compartment, as you can see, only 13,000 miles. There's not even a mark on the seat. This vehicle is practically brand new for a 2018. Let's jump inside and take a peek. Sitting inside this 2018 XTS Cadillac from Platinum Coach, once again that Phoenix R that we talked about in the exterior. You have a black leather wrapped wheel, black leather driver and passenger seats. Both are full power. You have a power tilt and telescoping column, button located on your left. Automatic headlights, cruise control on your left, media controls on your right. You do have paddle shifters in the back if you're feeling interesting. Push button start, remote start on the key fob as well. That is built into every XTS chassis. This vehicle does have a backup camera and backup sensors. Full touchscreen infotainment with AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth play both phone calls and music, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It is wired. You do not get that wireless capability for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto until the XT5. So just please take that note. However, you do have a nice little hideaway here. Phone charger or a wireless charging mat fits about 60% of the phones on the market. Anything large of a phone will not fit. However, the smaller ones will do. Press this little silver trim and it pops back down. Nice little ashtray in here. You have your cup holders right here. We like to store all the keys there. There is a nice little hideaway slot right here as well if you'd like to store the key there. It fits there very nicely. Inside the glove box you have a USB-C along with a USB-A. So those are your two hookups for the radio itself. Unfortunately, when they did the facelift for 18 and 19, they removed the USB input behind the radio there. You will see that in the 13 to 17s. However, now they only reside in the center console. But you did pick up that USB-C, which is nice to see. Black carpet down below, black leather dash. This vehicle does have those four-way clear strobes that we talk about in the front grille. The switch for that is located up on the headliner, so you can rock that forward. It'll illuminate red when it's on and then rock it back and turn it off. They will work when the vehicle is not on, so different than a brand new car. The brand new cars are limited to the vehicle only running, so please watch on this vehicle as you can deplete the battery if you run those strobes for too long, so just take that to note. Otherwise, brand new interior, basically only 13,000 miles. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 2018 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix R. This vehicle with only 13,000 miles will not last long in our inventory, as it is our only Phoenix R. Please, if you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, give us a call at 800-229-5008 or visit us at parkspear.com where you can see 80 plus photos of this vehicle, 2 demos, a nice walk around, and the rest of our inventory here at Parks Spear Sales. Once again, thank you very much.